Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you
My hair care routine.
so I'm going to tell you the products that I use to wash my hair, the shampoo, the mask and the serum.
Also, don't forget to watch this video till the end to learn this beautiful headband hairstyle.
So let's get started. एक्चुअली विंटर्स हैं तो बाल बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो गए हैं। जैसे कि मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में भी बताया था, मैंने अपने बालों पे रिसेंटली स्मूथनिंग ट्रीटमेंट लिया है। सो आई हैव गॉट स्मूथनिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑन माय बॉटम सेक्शन ऑफ माय हेयर। तो एक्चुअली क्या है कि ये जो बाल है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो गए हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिजी हो गए हैं। तो मुझे चाहिए था कि ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जो कि बालों को इंटेंस नरिशमेंट दे एंड देन जो बालों का जो मॉइस्चर है जो सक आउट हो गया है वो उनको वापस से दे दे।
Then I heard about this L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair range. It is a set of 3. It has a shampoo, a mask and a serum. The key ingredients are gold quinoa and wheat protein. And the price is rupees 665 for the shampoo, 820 for the mask and 590 for the serum. Now it's been a few weeks since I'm using these products and absolutely loving it. So let me show you how I use these. So I have already shampooed my hair with this L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair shampoo. I'm dividing my hair into 2 equal sections by making a middle parting. And when I'm touching my hair, they already feel quite smooth and soft. So the shampoo itself is quite moisturizing, I feel. So now it's time for the mask application, which is the most important step. I always prefer masks over conditioners as they are more nourishing and moisturizing than conditioners. So I'm going to take a little bit of amount. You don't need to use too much. I'm just going to use this much for one section and you can see the consistency, it's quite thick. Even if I have inverted my hand, it's not sliding down. It's very creamy and feels like butter when we touch it. Also, the smell is amazing. So I'm just going to rub it between my hands and apply it from mid-length to the ends in sliding motions. Applying generously at the ends and then just finger combing my hair. This will ensure the even application. Do not apply this on the scalp, just apply all over the length only. Now I'm taking small sections one by one to make sure each and every hair gets saturated with the product for the maximum benefit. So the application on one side is done now. The hair already feels so soft. They are completely tangle free as you can see here. So I'm going to repeat the same to the other side as well. Now after the whole application is done, just look at the texture of my hair. They look so smooth. It feels butter-like soft and every single hair is completely saturated with the product now. And now that's the stage where you need to wait for 3 to 5 minutes to let it sit properly into your hair and then rinse your hair with water. So after washing my hair with plain water, I'm just removing the excess water with the help of towel. I'm just squeezing it, and do not ever rub your hair with towel. It will damage your hair. When I'm touching my hair, my fingers are sliding down so effortlessly. There are no tangles at all. It gave me absolutely soft, smooth and well-nourished hair. So now again I'm making a middle parting and trying to divide my hair into 2 equal sections for the last step, which is the application of the serum. So this is a pretty glass bottle and it has a sturdy pump which is very convenient to use. So I'm going to use 2 pumps for one side of my hair. Then just rubbing between my palms and applying from mid-length to the ends in sliding motions. जैसे कि मैंने जो मास्क अप्लाई किया था बिल्कुल वैसे ही. And काफ़ी सारा प्रोडक्ट जो है मेरे पाम पे रह जाता है, तो what I like to do is कि इस तरीके से पाम के बीच में मैं हेयर को लेके थोड़ा सा स्लाइड करती हूँ ताकि पूरा का पूरा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो हेयर पे चला जाए. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी इस सीरम से और भी अच्छी सी शाइन ऐड हुई है मेरे बालों में. मास्क से बाल स्मूथ और टेंगल फ्री तो मास्क से ही हो गए थे टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट देन सीरम लगाने के बाद तो और भी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट मुझे मेरे हेयर फील हो रहे हैं. तो सेकंड जो हमारा सेक्शन है उस पर भी हम इसको जल्दी से अप्लाई कर लेंगे. So the serum application is also done now and now मैं अपने बालों को normal natural hair में dry होने दूंगी and then this is the final result. So super duper smooth glossy hair. There is no frizz at all. बहुत sleek and clean लग रहे हैं hair. Touching my hair is so satisfying कि मैं बार बार I just love to play with my hair. Even the hair is looking very silky and shiny. इवन की जो बॉटम सेक्शन है वो भी बहुत सिल्की स्मूथ लग रहा है. लेट मी शो यू द बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वॉश रिजल्ट्स. So that's the reason why I'm loving this range and recommending you guys to try it out and share your experience with me. You'll find the link in the description bar below. It's available on Flipkart as well. Now let's move on to the quick headband tutorial. So first you need to make a clean front parting, and then I'm just going to take vertical sections before my ears on both the sides. Now take a thick chunk of hair from the nape of your neck and make a regular 3-strand braid. After reaching in the middle, just stretch the braid from the sides to make the braid appear thicker. Keep on making the braid, and when you reach the end, tie with an elastic, and once again stretch the sides. Now place the braid exactly on the parting that you made and take it to the other side. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो आपने पार्टिंग बनाई है बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर से ही जाते हुए ब्रेड दूसरी साइड पे पहुंचे, लाइक दिस। और ये बिल्कुल एक हेयर बैंड की तरह लगेगी जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं। एंड देन फिक्स इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टिक टैक पिन और बॉबी पिन। हाइड द पिन अंडर योर हेयर एंड दैट्स इट। Now take one section from the front. I'm just leaving a long strand just to frame my face, and then twisting this section backwards like so. Now I'm just stretching it a little bit from the front to make it a little voluminous and pinning it at the back under my hair to hide the pins. Repeat the same to the other side as well. So that's all for the video. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to check the description bar below to find the link to the product I mentioned in this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.